A bad engine? Well, I don't think so. But we shall dig into it for further investigation. And there may be a few surprises as we go through it. For something that's never had an oil leak before, and it's right behind where the rear tire is. Some more further investigation is going to have to be done. But it has to be on the bottom end since the truck is not running, and it has to be below the oil line. Not looking good. And here we get our first glimpse of the mysterious new oil leak. The transmission pan is just soaking wet with drips on the exhaust and it running down the side of the pan. Here is a valve spring that's supposed to be a single spring. This is two parts that are recovered. As you see, the third is still around the valve stem. So this starts my bad day. So at this point, it's very evident that at least that head has to come off to be reworked. As you can see, the valve is clearly down. So here we have the intake that has to be pulled off to allow me to gain access to the head bolts. There are 3 rows of them, and just showing you the tight compartment of no drain cock on the radiators on this model Chevy. So it's a problem. We will be continuing on taking things apart, including removing the exhaust manifold, trying to get access to the bottom bolts of the head. Unfortunately, without taking it almost completely off, I cannot get to the back 3 bolts. So it's another challenge that's just being thrown up. As you can see on the video, I have removed the rockers, and you can now see the one valve that's been the problem child. I have been taking my magnet and retrieving miscellaneous parts, including the keeps and the top of the spring retainer. Alright, here's where we stand on damages. Piece caught under the exhaust, the original problem child. The broke spring. The bad rocker. The damaged rocker arm. Ball to the rock. The lifter. The piston. Yep, that was a piston. You can tell it has taken up breathing. So, probably the only reason why it did stop from running was the trash that is collected in it. So anyway, that's where we stand. That's what I've come up to. And now, the question is, your comments are most welcomed. Please put them in the comment section, and we'll be reading them and making a determination. Thank you very much, and enjoy. Thank you for stopping by today, and enjoy our channel. And please remember to hit subscribe. It will cost you nothing. Also, ring the bell and hit the like button if you would. but we appreciate him greatly.